Hi guys, we are testing something out. Two blokes figuring out how Linux works, right? And one of the things, let's boot into the Calamares ISO that I've just built this morning. If and when I get it that networking, network architecture and all that, it's applied informatics year 1, year 2, and later on year 3, right? It's a complex matter. There are country blocks, there are houses, flats that even block communication, firewalls and all that. There is your router that's in there somewhere, and you need to have all the information, otherwise no internet, right? And one of the things, well, IPs are important, subnets are important, gateways are important. So there has to be somewhere a dynamic host configuration protocol, which is DHCP in short. Everything needs to work. I would like to focus on, in this video, on one thing, and that's the resolv. So we are counting a little bit on NetworkManager. That's the application on which we count that it will get the gateway of my home, right? If that's not correct, the rest of the online installation will not succeed, because he wants to get online and URLs will be brought to him. And OSBEC, what is OSBEC? I can't resolve, and you see a long list of all the hundreds of ArcoLinux servers. He can't resolve it. So at this point in time, there is somebody helping me out to figure out why the installation doesn't work. And one of the things is this is not filled in. If nothing has been done with this, he can't get out, right? The gateway is literally the gate to the internet, and if he does not have the numbers, in this case my router numbers, nothing will happen at all. Now, to show you everything is working, right, I'm gonna type my name behind it, right? It's okay because it's a hashtag, so it's not used. So if we, yeah, voila, he's already rebooting. Let's shut him down here for a moment, if we can. Discord out, voila. So what I told him is to relaunch sudo systemctl, and I'm still in QWERTY, I guess. So set, voila, sudo systemctl, restart, I think it is, restart, and then NetworkManager. It was not restart, was it? Let me have a quick look. What was it again? Systemctl, yeah. Capital letter network, right? Why they do that, right? Okay, never mind. So first it's going down, message disconnected, and then we're gonna look again. There's no message that is connected, but we're gonna go look again. And where's the word Eric? It's gone. So that's the first thing. You need to sometimes reset things. For whatever reason, he did not get, in this case, the gateway. It can't get out. It's inside, in this case, my little virtual box, and otherwise it's inside real metal, and it can't get out. So make sure this is there. And if you say that's not working, fine, just type it, name server, and hopefully, I bet you know the IP address of your router. That's where it needs to get out, right? And sometimes people have very, very complex things, like one router, a second router. Yeah, make sure that whatever you're receiving is correct. So your IP address has to be correct. What was it again? IP address. I never use this, but voila, we see some information anyway. So this is of course VirtualBox, so that's its number here, and that the subnet and all that. 255, okay. voila, whatever, right? As long as we can get out in VirtualBox, of course, that's great. But this looks, of course, different than the numbers at home, which is 192.168, and then it goes to 0 or 1 or something else. Just wanted to make the video that this etc resolv thing needs to be filled in, and then you can press and go for online. Then at some point in time, right, you select I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. It's gonna look to the ArcoLinux servers. Where are the ArcoLinux servers? Here. That's the first one. Is gonna look up, and it says can't find, can't resolve, something like that. Can't resolve mirror.osbeck.com. Basically, he can't translate text in an IP, text in numbers, and that's it. And everything, all the list, he's going to all the list, and for each line he's gonna say can't resolve, can't resolve, can't resolve, can't resolve, right? So take care of this resolve thing. And I was thinking maybe we should add something inside here, a quick check to show you the content of it or something like that, to make sure, okay, I see a number or something like that and everything is okay. We'll see about that, okay? But knowledge is everything. You need to have your router at home is basically changing URL inside into an IP address, and without it, it won't work. Okay, cheers.